Hi, it's Angie, and today I'm sharing another Pandora bracelet design with you. This time it's my Hamilton themed bracelet based on the musical, and I did design this quite a few months ago when the musical was released on Disney Plus, but Washington, D.C. has been in my mind a lot lately, so I thought I would share this design with you. Nicole from My Pretty Charm Life and I brainstormed charms that we could put on a Hamilton bracelet, and we each created one, and some of the charms are the same and then some of them are a bit different, so it was kind of fun to see what we each came up with. So I'm going to open this up and show you each charm in more detail. For this design I started with a Moment's Heart Clasp bracelet just because I find them really comfortable, and I think the heart is really sweet to represent the love story. I'm using the Ornate Hearts safety chain. I think this used to be called Regal Hearts, so I'm not sure, but it's now on the website as Ornate Hearts, and I like this one because it's not too big. So the first charm is the Noble Splendor Crown Dangle, and that's obviously to represent the king. Then I have the Love Letter charm, and this is to represent all the letters that Alexander Hamilton sent to Eliza. Then I have the Music Note charm because it's a musical. I have the Regal Crown, just another representation of England. I have the Statue of Liberty because much of the drama takes place in New York City. I chose the Love Red Cherries clip because Washington is known for their cherry trees and all the beautiful blossoms in the springtime. And of course I had to have the Washington, D.C. dangle. Then I have the World's a Stage Theater mask, and I have the tragedy side facing out. The other side is comedy, and it says to be or not to be on the top. And my centerpiece is the Celestial Star, which is in Pandora Shine, which is 18 karat gold plate. It's so beautiful, and this just represents the star that's on the Hamilton poster. Then I have the money bag charm because Alexander Hamilton was the treasurer. And I have a lucky penny and another cherry clip. And then I have the Eiffel Tower to represent Paris and Lafayette, who's one of my favorite characters in the show. Then I have study books because Alexander studied everything, read every book so that he could move ahead in his career. Then I have the Fleur de Lis dangle, also to represent France. And I have the piano charm. This is the original retired one, just to represent the musical. And then I have the Harry Potter Hogwarts acceptance letter because this represents Alexander Hamilton's education and also letters that he wrote. And then I'm back to the safety chain. So there you have it. It's very comfortable, very jingly, and I just love it. And I just think it's a really relevant bracelet to be wearing at this time. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed seeing my Hamilton bracelet.